everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a language in Rakuten Viki application. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Rakuten Viki application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. From the main homepage after logged in, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the three dots appearing at the top right hand corner of your profile page and tap on Preferred Language. Select one of your preferred language from the options and tap on it, and you'll be able to change language in Rakuten Viki. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.